I ain't got a clue, bro.
I'ma tell you this one time. Boy, I want you to be mine. Can I come see you now? Can I lay with you outside? Can I touch your lips with mine? Cause I need you now. Don't wanna leave, I just wanna be here by your side. You make me feel and believe that we in paradise. Cause I don't feel the ground. No, I don't feel the ground. But I'm feeling right. I tell you what it's all about. Cause you make me feel this way. It's kinda like oh, you make me feel and believe in me. Nothing like what we lost eyes. I look away from time to time. All I see is you right now. Just wanna lay with you all night. Feel your body next to mine. Boy, I need you now. Don't wanna leave, I just wanna be here by your side. You make me feel and believe that we in paradise. Cause I don't feel the ground. No, I don't feel the ground. But I'm feeling right. I tell you what it's all about. Cause you make me feel this way. And it's kinda like oh, you make me feel and believe in me.
Hey y'all, I do apologize because I'm starting this video off super late, and I tried all day to pick up this camera and it was just not working out. It was not giving. So it's only 5:45 in the evening and it is like pitch black out here. I'm getting ready to go to a housewarming party, but first we're gonna stop by Ross and get them a cute little gift. I'm gonna take you guys along with me. So yeah, I will see you guys at Ross. Good morning. Happy Sunday. Just getting ready for church. Nothing major. About to put my clothes on. Don't even know if this outfit is gonna look right. But I'm gonna try this on. And I'm gonna show it to you guys. And you guys can comment below and tell me how it looks. Today I'm going to church and then I'm supposed to be going out to eat with my cousin for her birthday. Her birthday is tomorrow. So I don't have no lashes on, y'all. I don't even know if I even have lashes to wear. If I need to go to the nail shop or what. And I don't think the nail shop opens till like 10 or 11. And it's 9:35 right now. So let me try this on and then I'll be right back, okay? Good morning. It's about 3:55 a.m. right now. I know it's super early, but my alarm is about to go off for me to go to the gym. And I woke up before my alarm. Not sure why, but I've been up since 3 a.m. and I can't even go back to sleep. Y'all, look at my hair. I cannot wait to take my hair down. I'm taking it down either Friday or Saturday. More than likely Friday. I wanted to take it down last night. It's just, I'm so sick of this hair. Like, new style me, please.
Every second, every minute, man, I swear that she can get it. Saying if you a bad bitch, put your hands up high, hands up high, hands up high. Till I feel the lights down right now. Put me in the mood. I'm talking about dark room, perfume. Go, go.
I recognize your fragrance. Hold up, you ain't never gotta say shit. And I know your taste is a little bit high maintenance. Everybody else basic. You live life on an everyday basis with poetic justice.
They hate a bitch, but they stole the flow. Got back in at the back end coming. Fuck with my stole the show. Done run up on that bitch, she a head case. All she do is shoot. I signed my deal up on the PJ and hopped out a parachute. I'm geeked on next week, got no more